Hey everyone, this is Dylan from Frank & Frank Auto Repair. Today I'm sitting in the back of a 2012 Honda Civic and we're going to be changing the left brake light. Though I'm changing the brake light, this also works for the tail light and the reverse bulb as well. So let's get started. So what I want you guys to see here is that there are 3 clips that we're going to have to remove. Using whatever tool you got, for me it's just a flathead, you're going to slide the end of the flathead or whatever the plastic trim remover piece that you have is. And these are 2-part plastic clips. So you'll slide it between here and it'll pop right out. And when you're putting them back in, I actually fully take them apart. You can clip this in and put it in first, and then this will line up only one specific way into here. You'll pop it in and you'll be able to seal it back up when you're done. So I'll go ahead and remove all of these clips. So now after we've removed the 3 clips, we're going to be able to take this back and have a look inside. What we're going to be able to see here are 1 bulb up top and 1 bulb on the bottom. I believe that both of them are actually dual filament bulbs, so they'll both light on with the brake light or the regular tail light, but if one of them is burnt out, the other function will not work. So to remove them, you can see here, you just twist counterclockwise, and we have here a burnt bulb. The clip, really easy to undo. I'm going to push here. If I wanted to remove this second one, this back here, it's the exact same. Twist, and it comes out. You can have a see. There's the amber color. And just so you can have a look, there is the reverse light bulb right there on the most middle side, closest towards the license plate here. And it's a smaller bulb. You can see I just pulled it out. Last part, as I said, is replacing the bulb. I've got a Philips 7443 K2 12 volt bulb, and just going to pull the old one out, put it back in. So there you have it, guys. I really hope that video helped you out, and if you wouldn't mind just leaving a like, comment, subscribe, it really helps the channel out and makes it all worth it. See you next time.